Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to create Payhip affiliate program. So here's a simple and a straightforward guide on how to create an affiliate program on Payhip. So to get started with that, the first thing to do is to log into your Payhip account. Then in the top menu, click on marketing, then select the affiliate system tab from the left sidebar. Then in step 4, you have to click enable affiliate system. So choose the default commission rate you want to offer affiliate, for example 30%. Then optional, you can also set a custom commission rate per product under a product. Then also share the affiliate sign up link with others so they can register and promote your product. And here's a quick pattern tips. You can track each affiliate sales and earn from this section. Payhip does not automatically pay affiliate, so you will need to send payment manually. For example, you can send via PayPal or Stream, and that's it. Find a video helpful, hit the turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.